Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to ASTRA 2022 program presented by Akka IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with 7 different questions based upon blood relations and 3 reading comprehensions questions. So let's begin. So the first question is, a joint family consists of 7 members. So how many members are there? 7 members, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, with 3 females. Okay, with 3 females. Okay, 3 females are there and obviously 4 will be male here. Okay, because there are 7 members in total here. G is a widow and sister-in-law of D's father F. B and D are siblings and A is the daughter of B and C is the cousin of B, who is E here. Okay, so who is E? Okay, 3 options have been given here. Okay, so we need to draw a family tree here, my dear friends. Okay, so then and there only I'll be telling the rules how to draw the family tree. Okay, a joint family consisting of 7 members are there. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G with 3 females and 4 males here. G is a widow. So G is a widow means I shall write it as somewhere here. G is a widow means female. So for female I'll be drawing a circle here. So with your reference, whichever way you can draw, you will be convenient to your way only. Okay, I'll be drawing a circle means female here. Okay, and G I'm indicating here, and negative symbol also indicates female here. Okay, and actually if at all she is a widow, she should be married, and for marriage 2 lines I'll be drawing here, and this square means actually male here. Okay, so this I don't know, and this person has been dead here. Okay, because G is a widow here and sister-in-law of D's father F here. Okay, so there is somewhere D here. Okay, so D is there and D's father F is there here. Okay, so D's father F is there here and F's sister-in-law is G here. Okay, so F brother will be this person who has been dead here. Okay, question mark. Okay, and yes, this person's wife will be G here. Okay, so F sister-in-law will be G here. Okay, so this condition got satisfied here, and D's father here. Okay, D will be here. So B and D are siblings here. Okay, so B and D are siblings here. So single mark means actually brother or sister siblings here. Okay, single marks again see here, and double mark means actually married couple here. Okay, so F is also married to someone, I don't know that, I'll be checking it later here. Okay, so B and D are siblings and A is the daughter of B here. Okay, so A is the daughter means round marks and negative here, so A is the daughter of B here, and B also will be married to someone that I don't know, and no need it also. Okay, and C is the cousin of B here. Okay, so B is there here and C is the cousin here. So cousin means actually these two are siblings, father, so father's brother's daughter will be cousin here, so C will be here. Okay, so C is the cousin of B here, who is E here. Okay, so E will be obviously here, yes or no? If at all is the F is male here and E will be female here. Okay, so who is E here? Okay, this is the condition, this is the family tree I got here. Okay, so according to the condition C here, E will be wife of F, so first condition, yes, it is true here. Grandmother of A, so E and F first generation married couple, and F's son, okay, D, and D be siblings here, and B's daughter, yes, E will be grandmother of A here. Okay, so that will also be true here, and E will be aunt of C, so E is aunt of C, so C is here, obviously E and F, so F is husband's brother's wife and wife's daughter here, so brother's daughter is also aunt here. Okay, so these two conditions, okay, aunt of C here, so select the correct options given below. Option D, all the relations, wife of F, grandmother of A, aunt of C, all the conditions satisfy here. Okay, so moving on to the next condition here. Next question, a family of 2 generations consisting of 6 members here, P, Q, R, S, T, U here. Okay, so there are 6 persons and 3 males and 3 females. There are 2 married couples and 2 unmarried siblings. So U is P's daughter here. Okay, so U will be P's daughter here. Okay, so P's daughter, so U will be female here. Okay, and P gender we don't know, so U will be P's daughter here, that I have written here, and Q is R's mother-in-law here. Okay, so here, see here, Q is R's mother-in-law, so there will be Q here. Okay, she is the mother-in-law of R here. Okay, so Q needs to be married to someone here. Q is the mother-in-law, means she will be female here, and she is married to someone here, and they are having a child here. Okay, they are having a child, and child's wife will be R here. Okay, so Q will be R's mother-in-law here. So Q's son is there and son's wife is there, so R is the daughter-in-law of Q, or else R's mother-in-law is Q here. Okay, so R is also negative symbol here. Okay, yes or no? And T is unmarried male and S is a male here. Okay, so how many members are there? Actually P, Q, R, S, T, U is there. Okay, so T is unmarried male here. Okay, T is unmarried male here, and S is a male, so S is a male here. Okay, and we got Q as female here, and R also female here. Okay, and P and U are remaining here. Okay, so P and U are remaining here. So U is P's daughter here. Okay, so U is female here. Okay, so U also female here. So then obviously P will be male here. So P will be male here means I have two conditions to satisfy here. So P will be, I have written here one condition, I will take down here. So P will be male here and P will be plus here. Okay, and P's daughter will be U means, so P's daughter will be U here. So this I have taken as minus sign, and T is unmarried male here. So T cannot be here. So obviously T will be here, unmarried male. T cannot be here because this is a married here, and S is a male means S will be here. Okay, so this is the family tree I got here, my dear friends. Okay, P, Q, R, S, T, U, all the members I have given written here. Okay, so which one of the following is correct here? Okay, so R is U's husband here. Okay, R is U's husband. No, this is wrong here. R is S wife. R is S wife. Okay, this is correct here. S is unmarried. No, S is married here. None of the above. No, option B is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. 4 persons are there, A, B, C and D, consisting of 2 married couples are in a group here. Okay, both women are shorter than their respective husbands. Okay, both women are shorter than respecting husbands. So 4 persons are there, A, B, C, D. 4 persons are there. So A is the tallest among the 4. So A is the tallest among the 4, and this will be the shortest I'll be writing here. Okay, C is taller than B. So C is taller than B here, and D is B's brother here. Okay, so D and B are siblings here. Okay, in this context, which one of the following is not correct here? Okay, so I need to fill the other 3 here. Okay, so if D and B are brother, then A always needs to be married to B here, and C is married to D here. These two are the couples I can imagine. Yes or no? And C, 2 males are there and 2 women are there. Both women are shorter than their respective husbands here. So A is the tallest among 4 means A will be male here, obviously. Okay, so A and B, so B will be shorter than A. Yes or no? And obviously C here, amongst the C is taller than B here. Okay, so C is taller than B here means C is C, this in these 3 required options I can fill up as D will be here, and C will be here, and B will be here. Okay, and the married couples will be A and B and C and D here, because D is greater than C here. Hence obviously D will be male here. Okay, D will be male and C will be female here. Okay, so D is male here and C is female here, and A is also male here and B is also female here, but A is married to B and D is married to C here. These are the 2 options we have got here. Okay, so, and also D and B are siblings here. Okay, so D and B are siblings here. Hence all the 4 have family ties. Yes, this is true here. B is the shortest among the 4. Yes, B is the shortest among the 4. This is also true here. C is taller than D. C is taller than D. No, this is wrong here. A is B's husband. Yes, this is also true here. Which of the statement is not correct? So option C is not correct, and option C is the right answer here. Okay, so moving on to the next question. A man had a wife, 2 sons and 2 daughters in the family here. Okay, so man is there and he is obviously married, okay, man, and we shall write as woman, and he'll be having son 1 and son 2 and daughter 1 and daughter 2 here, okay. The daughters were invited to feast here, okay. The daughters were invited to feast, and the male members of the family went out to take part in a picnic. So male members of the family means here, okay, man and son 1 and son 2, they went for the picnic here, okay. The man's father did not return from his work. So man's father did not return from his work. Which of the following statement is true? Only the man's wife was left at home here. Only the man's wife was left at home. When you see at the first instant, wife will be remaining at the home, hence only the man's wife was left at home. This is an extreme statement here, only, okay. This you need to examine here. If at all you don't examine the extreme statements, my dear friends, you will fall into a trap here, because see here, only the man's wife was left at home. See, only the man's wife means, actually see here the conditions at the daughters. The daughters were invited to a feast here, okay. They were invited. We are not sure that they accepted the invitation and went to the feast, or they did not go to the feast here, okay. Hence only the man's wife was left at home is false here, okay. Because if at all the daughters were invited and they agreed not to go to the feast, then they amongst the with wife or with women, the daughters will be also at home here, okay. Hence option A is wrong. It is likely that the man's wife was left at home. So this is true here, because it is likely, okay. It is likely here, okay. None was left at home, this is wrong here. More than one person was left at home, this is, there is also possible, or else there is also not possible here, okay. Hence the most probable option is option B here, okay. Moving on to the next question. Rupesh introduces Poonam as the daughter of the only son of my father's wife here. How is Poonam related to Rupesh here, okay. So single line question, my dear friends. Actually there is a trick here to solve this kind of problem here, okay. Kindly observe here, okay. When you find these kind of problems, go from backwards here. This is the trick here, okay. So Rupesh introduces Poonam as a daughter only son of my father's wife, okay. My father's wife, okay. Myself, I'll be here, okay. Myself, I'll be here, and my father's wife, my father will be here, and father's wife will be mother here, okay. So plus and minus, and this may be plus or minus as well, okay. My father's wife, this conditions observe over, my dear friends, okay. We'll go bit backwards, my dear friends, okay. So only son of my father's wife here. Only son of my father's wife means myself only here, okay. So only son they have been given, so female conditions got cancelled and male condition here, okay. So only son of my father's wife here. Do you observe the condition, my dear friends, how the problem is going on, okay. Rupesh introduces Poonam as the daughter of only son here, okay. Daughter of only son. Who is the only son? Myself here, okay. Daughter of, see, daughter of only son he is given here, okay. Only son is myself here, and I have been married to with one female here, okay. And the daughter of only son here, okay. The daughter of only son means here negative sign here, okay. See here, daughter of the only son of my father's wife. Daughter I got here, so daughter I have written here, okay. So Rupesh introduces Poonam, so Poonam is the daughter here, okay. So Poonam as the daughter of, so Poonam, she is the daughter of only son of my father's wife here, okay. So you got the condition here. Rupesh introduces Poonam as the daughter of only sons of my father. How is Poonam related to Rupesh here, okay. So see here, my father's wife, who is that? Rupesh is my father's wife here, so hence myself will be Rupesh here, okay. Hence myself will be Rupesh here, and myself daughter is Poonam here. So C, option C, the daughter is right answer here, okay. So you need to go backwards, so this is the key here, okay. So moving on to the next question. Introducing a girl, a boy said, she is the daughter of the mother of the daughter of my aunt. How is the girl related to the boy here, okay. So kindly go backwards here, okay. How is the girl related to boy? So this is wrong here. See, introducing a girl, a boy said here, okay. So a boy said she is the daughter of the mother of the daughter of my aunt here, okay. So my aunt here. So a boy is related to aunt here. So first I need to examine the boy here, okay. So boy shall be myself here. So I'll be writing me here, myself, and I have parents here, okay. So female parent and male parent here, okay. So male and female parent. So my parents sister will be, okay, parent sister will be aunt here, okay, and her daughter is there, her daughter is there here, okay. So this is the conditions given here, okay. See backwards, daughter of my aunt here, okay. See here, myself I'm there, so my aunt will be sister and daughter of my aunt will be daughter here, yes or no. Hence daughter, mother of the daughter of my aunt, so aunt and daughter of the mother, see daughter again, so here only two times they have given here, okay. They are confusing, she is the daughter of the mother of the daughter of my aunt here, okay. Similarly two times he is saying. So how is the girl related to the boy? Actually she is, the difference between here it is actually the girl is related to boy, myself and my aunt's daughter, we are actually cousins, my dear friends, okay. Option A is the right answer here, okay. Moving on to the next question. If u plus v means u is the brother of v here, okay. So u plus v means actually u is brother of v here, and w minus x means actually w is father of x here, and x divided by y, so x divided by y means x is sister of y here, and y into z here, okay. So y into z means z is the mother of y here. So which of the following means that n is the mother of o. So n is the mother of o means actually for mother what I need to symbol is into mark symbol is there. So n is the mother of symbol here. So n is the into of o I need to find out. So wherever n and o is there I need to, so n and o minus symbol is there. So this can be eliminated, and this also can be eliminated because n and o option no relations is there, and n and o, see a division symbol n by m and l by o, the division symbol has been given here, okay. So this can also be eliminated by ml plus and o into n is there, so o into n is there, so into marks means actually mother here, hence option D is the right answer. See friends, actually for these kind of questions you need not to solve here, okay. In the options only find the symbol which have been related to mother or brother or sister, and okay, and then you can eliminate the rest of the options and you will be easily coming to the right option here, okay. So moving on to the next question. Now India's children have a right to receive at least 8 years of education. The gnawing question is whether it will remain on paper or become a reality. One hardly needs a reminder that this is right is different from the others enshrined in the constitution, that the beneficiary, a 6-year-old child, cannot demand it, nor can she or he fight a legal battle where the right is denied or violated. In all the cases it is the adult society which must act on behalf of the child. In the other peculiarity where a child's right to education is denied, no compensation offered later cannot be adequate or relevant. This is so because childhood does not last. If a legal battle fought on behalf of a child is eventually won, it may be of little use to the boy or girl because the opportunity missed at school during the childhood cannot be served the same purpose later in the life. This may be painfully true for girls because our society permits them only a short childhood, if at all. The right to education RT has become a law at a point in India's history when the ghastly practice of female infanticide has resurfaced in the form of female feticide. This is symptomatic of a deeper turmoil in the society which compounding the traditional obstacles to the education of girls. Tenacious prejudice against the girls' intellectual potential of the girls runs across our cultural diversity, and the system of education has not been able to address it. So this is the passage here, okay. So the question is, on the basis of the passage, consider the following statement. Right to education is a legal right and not a fundamental right here, okay. The passage is not seeking about the legality or fundamental rights of the right to education, my dear friends, okay. Hence option A can be eliminated here. For realizing the goal of universal education, the education system in the country must be made identical to the top developed countries. The passage is not speaking about the developed countries education or developing countries education here. Okay, hence option 1 and option 2 are wrong here. So neither 1 or nor 2 option is the correct answer here. Okay, moving on to the next question. Which one of the following statement conveys the key message of the passage here? Okay, key message of the passage. India has declared that education is compulsory for its childs. No, this is not the passage here. Adult society is not keen on, not keen, so wrong here again. The right to education, particularly of a girl child, needs to be safeguarded. Particularly, see here, so this is the wrong here. Okay, the system of education should be addressing the issue of right to education here, so this is the option here. Okay, see, most of the you will land to the option C also here. Right to education is particularly the right to education, particularly of girl child, needs to be safeguarded. The passage doesn't speak only about the girl child here. Okay, the passage key message, the question has been the key message here, hence option 3 will be wrong here. The system of education should be addressing the issue of right to education. Okay, the right to education is the whole issue is there, the system should be addressing it. Okay, hence this is the right answer here. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. Hope you guys find this video informative. Kindly do like, share and subscribe to our Akka IAS Academy channel. Thank you one and all. God bless you. Hope your preparations is going well. I shall catch up with you in the next video. Thank you guys. Good night.